Hi, we're here at the Perry Sound Public Library with Dave the Dragon and Hartley, and wow, what are you guys doing today?
Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing another awesome science experiment. We are going to be learning all about tornadoes. And we are going to be making our very own tornado in a jar. But before we begin, of course, Dave the Dragon over here is going to explain how tornadoes form in nature.
Well, Hartley, most tornadoes form from thunderstorms. When warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air from Canada meet, they create instability in the atmosphere. Then, a change in wind speed and wind direction create a funnel.
That makes so much sense. Isn't that interesting? Thank you for sharing, Dave. So, what do you think? Should we make our own tornado?
I think we should try.
Okay, so what you're going to need if you're doing this from home is a mason jar filled with 3 cups of water. You're going to need dish soap, vinegar, a tablespoon, and if you're feeling extra fun today, you can throw in a little glitter as well. Okay, so to begin, we're going to unscrew our mason jar. We are going to grab that vinegar and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now we're going to take our dish soap and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of dish soap. And finally, we're going to take our glitter and we're going to sprinkle that in there too. Do you like glitter, Dave?
I love glitter, Hartley.
Me too, it's so fun. So we're gonna just put some glitter in there and we're gonna make sure we close the glitter up really tight because we don't want it to get all over the floor. Now we are going to close the mason jar up really, really tight so it doesn't leak. And we are going to shake. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Making me dizzy.
and we set it down. And do you see the tornado that is formed inside of the jar?
Whoa.
It's making that funnel action that Dave over here was just talking about. Isn't that interesting?
Would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Okay, so we hope you guys have fun trying this experiment from home. Feel free to tag us on Facebook and Instagram if you try it out.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, have fun. Bye-bye.
Bye.